How to make healthy smoothie recipe with simple ingredients. Welcome to Ama Cooks, and let's dive right in. So with this healthy smoothie recipe, I am using yogurt. I'm going to use mango juice. It's very good, healthy. And I'm using banana as well. Those are going to be our three ingredients that we'll use in this healthy smoothie recipe. I'm going to peel the banana. And make sure you get all your strings out. We'll add 2 tablespoons vanilla yogurt. Before you use it, shake it well. I'm going to put 1 glass. Look at our healthy smoothie recipe with 3 ingredients. Very simple. I hope you can enjoy this and watch my smoothie banana recipe next, and I'll see you on those videos. Take care. Bye.